91. 91. Can you imagine that, seeing 90, God giving you 91 years? Can you imagine that? And he was one of the biggest sinners there was. Let me tell you, if you was to know that, brother, oh man, my daddy should have been gone when he was in his 40s. He was bad Leroy Brown. Baddest man in Texas town. He was something else. My daddy was something else. But it's because of God's grace and God's power. God delivered him from gambling, delivered him from alcohol abuse. I mean, I think the man been sober 35, almost 40 years now. But I've seen him at his worst. I've seen him and my mama fight when he wouldn't go get a box of cornflakes, living in that 2-bedroom shack, wooden floors, cracks at the bottom, rats look like German shepherds. Hello? Roaches sitting up on the table say, where's the food at, brother? You know? I mean, raised, and it used to be an old church, but he kept a roof over our head. He was good, he kept a roof over our head. That's one thing about him, he worked all his life. Nobody had to fire him. He worked